Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Crystal. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys what my brother used to wash his hair. He used the Curlz Daughter shampoo, and then he also used the Mane Until Deep Conditioner, and then he's also using the Curlz Daughter oil and then the cream. He's also using the same line. I'll make sure to link that down below in the description box. And also I have a comb. Now, as you guys can see, I'm starting off by splitting his hair. I do this for both of my brothers. I split their hair in two, and then I end up doing 4 rows and then 5 twists or 5 braids per row.
Stop the recording.
Okay, so now that I'm done sectioning off his hair, I'm going to use the rubber band to put the other part into a bun. As I said before, I use oil to put on my rubber band so it does not snag the hair. Okay, so with this first row, I'm using oil, and then I'm going to massage it to promote the hair growth. I'm doing the same exact things. I'm going to section it off to make sure that there's 5 twists or 5 braids per section. So with his braids, I'm doing something a little different. I'm starting off with a braid, and then I ended it off with a twist. When I did start the braid, I made sure to moisturize it with the cream, and then I put the oil at the ends, and I also put the cream at the ends. Okay, so now that I'm almost done with the first half of his head, I just showed you guys again what I did. I put oil, and then I'm going to put oil again at the bottom as well as cream. I'm going to start off with the braid, a 3-strand braid, and then you guys will see me turn the braid into a twist. Alright, y'all, so this is what I finished off with his hair. As you guys seen, I started off with a braid and then I ended it up with a 2-strand twist. It is neat and it is juicy. Honestly, all he needs to do is tie his hair down. I could have used some edge control to put on his hair, but honestly, the edge control would have caked up over some days. But y'all, he's gonna tie his hair and then it's going to be wet in the morning. Please share this video, send this video off to your friends. Let me know what else y'all want to see.
Facts.
And I will see y'all later.